Hey, hey. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video is just a really quick view of the style that I have right now in my hair. It is a low manipulation style, a low maintenance style for you to just tuck away your hair for a couple weeks out of the summer. I'm hoping that this style is pretty good with exercising and just being on the go, okay? It is just straight back braids. I'll show you what it's looking like in the back. Okay, so quickly, the most important part of this hairstyle would be parting. Okay, you want to make sure you're able to get your parting as neat and as straight as possible. If you're like me, you're not much of a parter, so it will take you a while, but I feel like it's worth it. But if you have someone around to help you part in the back, particularly towards the back, because that's where it gets most difficult at, you'll have thicker braids and thinner braids like me if you don't get help with parting in the back. But if you're pretty good at parting, just take your time and the style will come out perfectly. It is definitely worth it. My braids are about tailbone length and it took me a total of 8 hours to do. And I would say it took me that long because, again, I'm not much of a parter and parting took up most of my time. So, if you would like to see me braid a couple braids of my hair and just see how struggling I was during the process, just be sure to stay tuned. All right, so that is it. I do thank you so much as usual for tuning into my channel. Again, I feel like this style is a winner chicken dinner. I love it. It is definitely a style that I'll have in for about 2 weeks, and I'll probably be redoing it. So if you'd like to see more of a tutorial form of the hairstyle, be sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll definitely do a more in-depth tutorial style for you, okay? So, girl, be sure to like my video. You can share it on all of your social platforms, and be sure to follow me on my social platforms at Ayata J. That is IYATAJAY. Thanks. Bye.